In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Xero. Whether you're managing a small business or keeping track of personal dealings, having a safe, reliable way to export your contacts for backup or analysis is critical. Luckily, Xero provides a straightforward process to do just that. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to ensure you can transfer your contacts with ease. Firstly, let's begin by navigating to the Xero homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. It's time to focus on accessing your contacts. Look for the Contacts option. This part of Xero is designed for ease of use, ensuring you can manage your business relationships in just a few clicks. Clicking on Contacts will unfold the options you have for managing your contacts. Under the Contacts tab, you'll see an option for All Contacts. This is where every contact you've added to Xero is stored, whether they are suppliers, customers, or personal contacts. All contacts are consolidated into one place, making management straightforward. Now, let's focus on the task at hand, exporting these contacts. You'll notice 3 dots or an options menu towards the top right of the contact list. This subtle but powerful feature is your gateway to more advanced management options. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal various actions you can take with your contacts list. Among these options, you'll find Export. This option is what we've been aiming for. Clicking on Export will initiate the process of downloading your contacts. Xero cleverly compiles your contacts into a CSV file. For those unfamiliar, a CSV file is a simple, universal file format that can be opened with virtually any spreadsheet software, allowing for easy viewing, analysis, or backup of your contact information. And just like that, you've successfully exported your contacts from Xero. But the usability doesn't just stop here. With your contacts now in a CSV file, you can easily import them into other software, use them for analysis, or keep them as a backup. The possibilities are practically endless. Just a couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Regularly exporting your contacts can serve as a great backup measure. Should anything unforeseen occur with your Xero account or the data within, you'll have a recent copy of your contacts saved elsewhere. After exporting, it's wise to double-check the CSV file to ensure all of your information has been correctly exported and that the file opens without issues on your chosen software. That concludes our guide on exporting contacts from Xero. This powerful feature ensures that you have flexibility and control over your contact information, providing peace of mind and facilitating easier management of your business or personal finances. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Xero account. Stay organized and see you next time.